Hi guys, I'm Bio7 and welcome to this new video. So first of all, if you will find this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my new channel. And now I'm gonna show you how to convert a .py file to a .exe file so that you can run it even in some machine that doesn't have Python installed. I'm gonna convert this test program, so it's like a useless program. The first thing you need is auto-py-to-exe. So for installing this, you have to go to the command prompt, and there is two ways to install it. You can do it or pi m pip install and auto-py-to-exe and install it. So once you've done it, you can use it, but there is another way. You can more easily do just pip install auto-py-to-exe. How to use it? So you can simply write auto-py-to-exe and click enter, and it's gonna pop up this window. So what you can do here, you have to browse in your file manager and find the program that you want to convert. So I'm gonna go here and click on test PI, so this one. Then I can decide if I want just the file, just the X file, or so I'm gonna choose only the X file, and here we can decide based on the type of program that we want to convert, if we want to show the command prompt when it's opened, when you run the X, if you want to pop up the command prompt or not. So if you want console based, it will show up. If you want window based, it will not show up. And here there is other options, and when you have decided, you can click on convert .py to .exe. You just click it. It will take a while to convert, depending on the file, and here it's finished. You can see here complete. So you can click open output folder, and here you are. You will have the test1.exe, and it will work just fine. And so for my video is all. I hope you guys liked it. Subscribe and like and leave a comment if you have any questions. So this is all for my video. Bye guys.